Hi everyone, I am Mohan from SUC College of Engineering, Department of Information Science and Engineering. My introduction to mechanical engineer, it is a subject, and in this subject I am going to explain about the concept of four-stroke diesel engine, and here is the first slide. First we have to discuss the definition of four-stroke diesel engine. Four-stroke diesel engine is also known as a compressed ignition engine, since it is a kind of engine that combustion occurs due to the compressing air more than a fuel self-ignition temperature, and the compression ratio of the engine is higher as compared to a simple engine, simple ignition engine, and it not uses a spark plug. And this engine works on the thermodynamic diesel cycle. We all know it works on the thermodynamic diesel cycle. And parts of diesel engine, here is the diagrammatic of a four-stroke diesel engine. In this we have to see first inlet camshaft and inlet valve and piston. Downside is crankshaft. Before that we have to connect a rod, means connecting a rod, and it comes from exhaust valve and exhaust camshaft. It is the parts of four-stroke diesel engine. It works on the principle of the four-stroke diesel engine works on the diesel cycle. In it is name also is there. It works on the diesel, and in that graph we have to see P means pressure and V means specific volume. Is there numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 indicates isotropic compression, and 2, 3 indicates constant pressure. Heat addition means it is equal, it is like constant, and 3 to 4 indicates isotropic expansion. 1 to 2 is a compression, and 3 to 4 is a expansion, and 4 to 1 is a constant volume heat rejection. 2 to 3 is addition, and 4 to 1 is a rejection. So V1, V2, V3, P1, P2, P3, P4. So it is the works based on the diesel cycle. It is the graphical representation. Next one, the four-stroke diesel engine. And once more we have to work means first diagram. It start when a piston moves from TDC to BDC, top to bottom. From intake manifold, air enters into the cylindrical through the pot. So in this inlet camshaft it indicates the, and next when a piston moves from TDC to BDC, the piston creates a vacuum inside the cylinder. So in this diagram we can see the vacuum inside the cylinder, and hence due to the pressure difference between intake and manifold, the cylinder air enters into the cycle. During this succession stroke, the inlet valve is opened, and at the end of the succession stroke, inlet valve are closed. We have to mean one process means it is open the stroke, and after the process it close. Next one, after succession stroke is done, the piston starts to move from BDT to TDC. First we have to move TDC to BDT, means top to bottom. Now after succession it moves from bottom to top. During this movement the piston compresses the air to high pressure inside the cylinder. During compression both valves and inlet and exhaust are closed. Next, after the compression of air, succession and after compression of air, the fuel injector sprays the fuel inside the cylinder. Hence, fuel gets ignited, catch fire. Therefore, combustion starts. High pressure gases expand, spread inside the cylinder, and put the piston downwards towards the BDC. And during expansion, we can see in the diagrammic both values inlet and exhaust are closed due to the expansion stroke. Means due to the expansion stroke, inlet and exhaust are closed, both values. So power is obtained from the engine, we can see, and hence expansion stroke is also called as a power stroke. Next, after expansion stroke, the piston moves from bottom to top, and during the movement of this piston, means from bottom to top, the burnet exhaust gases from the exhaust valve cylindrical are released through the engine exhaust pipe in the environment. And during this exhaust stroke, only the exhaust valve is opened, and the end of the stroke exhaust valve are and the inlet are valve open to the soak fresh air. Hence in this way cycle continues the power obtained from the engine. We can see the advantages of four-stroke diesel engine, advantages and disadvantages. Now advantages: higher torque generation, means due to the high compression ratio, the diesel engine can generate high torque, high power generation. The higher torque leads to high power generation, and no need of carburation for mixing the air and fuel. So we can ನಮಗೆ ಏರು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೊರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ lower fuel cost in comparison with gasoline or petrol engine. The spark plug is not necessary for ignition and it generates higher torque at lower speed. ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಮಯದಾಗ ಹೈಯರ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್, ಫ್ಯೂಲೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊತೈತಿ. ಇದು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ಸು ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆವಿ ಲೋಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. And disadvantages, the 4-stroke diesel engine has follow disadvantages like it creates a more vibrations, it is a disadvantages, and the heater is necessary during a cold sessions to start engine. ಇವಾಗ and when a cold climate, so we should start engine with the heater, it necessary during the cold season, and during winter season it becomes difficult to start the engine. As it say, first of all, during winter season it becomes difficult to start the engine and the energy works at higher compression ratio, and most of the diesel engine are noisy in operation. The diesel engineers are bulky than petrol engines or its engines, and the maintenance cost is higher in comparison with the gasoline engines. This is the disadvantages about 4-stroke diesel engine. And applications where you have to use our automobiles, such as the 4-stroke diesel engine has applications in many kind of automobiles such as train, boat, wagon and truck. So this is the application of 4-stroke diesel engine. Thank you friends.